All right, welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about UPS, also known as United Parcel Service, and they're going to be traded on the NYSE. So, further company overview here. This is what they had on their website. It first starts off by saying that they're customer first, people led, and innovation driven. They state that UPS is the world's premier package delivery company and the leading provider of global supply chain management solutions. We operate one of the largest airlines and one of the largest fleets of alternative fuel vehicles under a global UPS brand. We deliver packages each business day for 1.7 million shipping customers to 11.8 million delivery customers in over 220 countries and territories. In 2021, we delivered an average of 25.2 million packages per day, totaling 6.4 billion packages during the year. Total revenue in 2021 was 97.3 billion. Um, I do like that their first statement is, saying that the customer's first, people led and innovation driven, just kind of good values right there. But again, with, you know, shipping and, online shopping and things like that, a lot more things are happening in the e-commerce business where companies like UPS are starting to really sort of take off. They've already had sort of that monopoly on, um, supply chain management and, doing shipping for customers and package delivery, things like that. But especially now with, companies like Amazon, you're starting to see a bigger need for, package delivery. But again, too, I also like their total revenue. We can see from 2019 to 2021, how big of growth they've seen. So that's something to keep an eye on too, going down for future years, seeing, if that's something that they can continue to grow and see how that plays out. So for UPS's dividend history here, we can see that their dividend yield is right around 3.41%, which leads to an annual dividend of, $6.08. And again, they're going to be on that quarterly basis. But that's something too that looks like it's been going up as of recent. We can see too that their dividend history between 2019 to 2021 has seen a little bit of growth, which is always nice for the investor. As of recent, though, their 52-week low is $154.87, and their 52-week high is $233.72. And at the time I'm making this video, they're right around the $177 mark. So they're trending more down towards that 52-week low. But again, we're right in the thick of, Q4 kind of wrapping up 2022. It'll be interesting when, Q1 of 2023 rolls around, seeing how, the revenues did, if they, met expectations, things like that. But I definitely like to see the growth and the dividend history right there, and that for a company this size, they're offering, a pretty fair dividend yield. All right, so for their final rating here, I'd have to give them around a 7. I do like that they offer, a pretty fair yield for the size of their company. Also, it's nice to see too that they've had some growth in their dividend between previous years, which is nice to see. And I think too that it's, a business segment that's going to continue to grow. We're starting to see a lot more business being done online with a need to, ship packages or goods to directly to a consumer. And they're, one of the few big companies that does that. One of the things for, that I noted about keeping an eye on was that price point where they're at right now, and kind of just keeping an eye on that, seeing where they're going to trend for, Q1 of 2023, and keeping an eye on that. But other than that, drop a comment down below. Let me know what stocks you guys are currently looking at right now or want me to check out for a future video. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.